Hi, it's your girl Alicia G. How's it going? Superstar. I wish you a wonderful music career. And congratulations, your team. I want to be a DJ. You can do it, girl. Keep striving for the best. Push out that negativity. Push in that positivity. The best is yet to come. And never, ever give up your dream, because dreams do come true. Much love. From your girl, Alicia G.
Yo, it's Ayo. It's Teo. And we just want to thank iwannabeadj.com for playing our singles, you feel me? Man, go to iwannabeadj.com to check our new singles out, stuff like that. You already know what's going on. Yeah, the road.
What's up, y'all? DJ Motivate from the Black Eyed Peas. And I want to say what's up to iwannabeadj.com. Yeah.
iwannabeadj.com. 10 to 10. I wanna be a fucking DJ.com.
Yo, what's up, y'all? This is Fatman Scoop. I wanna be a DJ.com. I wanna be a DJ.com. If you're a DJ, if you're an up-and-coming DJ, you need to check it out. I wanna be a DJ.com.
What's up, you guys? It's Jeremy.
I'm 49.
Yo, Brooklyn, New York City, Jesse Malik. I've been a DJ, I've been an MC, I've been a graffiti artist, I've been a b-boy, and for those that want to be a DJ, go to iwannabeadj.com. It's going down. Istanbul, stand up. iwannabeadj.com. Let's go.
What's up? Michelle McMahon here. I just had a chance to check out your new album and song. I wish you the best of career success. I know you are highly talented and already well on your way, and I also congratulate your team. I want to be a DJ, and all the best success to you the rest of the way.
Boom! Yeah, this is Million Stars speaking. Say bless, love, and greetings. Right now I'm saying big up, I wanna be a DJ.com. So if you're in Europe, right, and you wanna become a DJ and a wicked good DJ, so see what I'm saying? You need to check out I wanna be a DJ.com, you know what I mean? See what I'm saying? So if you wanna learn DJ school, yeah, get it, get that. You know what I mean? I wanna be a DJ. So if you wanna be a DJ selector, check the thing. Big up yourself. Millions have said that. Enough love and respect. Boom!
Yo, what up, all my people? This is Mohambi. If you want to be a DJ, like the best DJ ever, you go to www.iwannabeadj.com.
King of House Music with Nicola Fassano.
This is the last day, but the first day, as always, in the life.
Yeah.
We are ready to go. Journey is on the way.
Yeah. And please advertise. What do you think about iwannabeadj.com?
Yeah, you supported me, and I'm honored to teach you all I know in my life, everything I learned in my life. Yeah. And I love you guys.
Yeah,
this is family, you know, Carreta Record family.
Yeah, thank you very much.
It's your boy Brandon Beal, and all the DJs out there. There's a lot of you guys, all the DJs out there. Anybody inspiring to be a DJ, if you want to learn all the tricks, all the techniques, make sure you go to iwannabeadj.com. Go check it out.
It's Shane Nichols here. Kind of wish you a very good music career. I hope you do good. I hope everything works out for you guys, you and your team. You make me want to be a DJ, for real. So keep it up, keep doing your thing, and don't stop. We'll see ya.
Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Young of the Cali Swag District. And all the boys and girls out there that want to be a DJ, go to iwannabeadj.com, man. Turn up. This is where you find everything. This is going to show you everything you need to know. iwannabeadj.com. Swag.